this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service or the maintenance light on a Nissan Navara 2010 and onwards with navigation. So for step 1 you want to turn the ignition on. Then press the info button located in the center dash. In the information menu, select maintenance and press enter. So now for step 2, you're in the maintenance menu. Select which reminder you want to reset. It's either 1, 2, 3 or 4. Select which one you want to reset and press enter. So now we're on step 3. Now you want to choose reset distance and press enter. Then you want to select the mileage until the next service reminder should pop up. Select distance and press enter. So now we're on the 4th and final step. Select reminder and press enter. Then you want to press the return button as you see in the picture here to exit the menu. Then turn off the ignition. Your service or maintenance light has now been reset. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.